Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can buy Fartcoin over on Solana. So we all know right now Fartcoin is exploding and everyone wants to know, how do I buy this coin? Well, it's really easy, and in today's video I will show you how you can buy it as quick and as efficient as possible. So in order to buy Fartcoin you just need three apps. You need Dex Screener in order to see the charts of any coin, including Fartcoin, and this is also where you can find the contract address of Fartcoin. This is the way you can actually buy it. Secondly, what you need to use is Phantom. On Phantom you will be able to store your crypto, and this also includes Fartcoin. And thirdly, you need to use Telegram. Yes, you actually need to buy Solana meme coins using a Telegram trading bot, because otherwise you will not be able to buy them, because most of the exchanges either needs KYC, meaning it takes extremely long in order to actually be able to buy it, because you then need to verify yourself, or a lot of exchanges are not available in your country, or they're extremely slow. So I would recommend using a Telegram trading bot. It's really easy. So the very first thing we are going to do is head over to Phantom. So go ahead, download Phantom over on the App Store, create a wallet. It's extremely easy, takes like 5 seconds. Once you've done that, you will most likely have $0 in your wallet. If that's so, then all you need to do is click on buy Solana, type in how much Solana you want to buy, and then what you can do is click on buy. You can buy Solana literally using a debit or credit card, also using Stripe, MoonPay, and any other providers that are right now available. So it's extremely easy. Now that you have some Solana on your wallet, all we're going to do now is head over to Telegram. And what we're going to do is, first of all, look at the first link in the description of this video, because what we then need to do is we need to click on that link and it will bring us to this bot, because we need to start up this bot called Trojan on Solana. So all you're going to do is head over to the first link in the description below, click on that link, then it will bring you to this bot. It will automatically start up for you and it will basically already create a wallet for you. I know it sounds a little bit sketchy, but this wallet or this bot currently has 420,000 monthly users. Plus, if you just look online for a quick second, you can clearly see this is completely legit. If you don't believe it, don't use it, but it's completely legit. So go to the first link in the description below. It will bring you to this bot. If you don't have Telegram yet, of course, create an account, takes like 5 seconds. And then the very first thing we are right now going to do is we are going to send some of that Solana we just bought over to this bot. Now to do that, it's really easy. Just click tap to copy. Then you have basically your wallet over on Trojan, send, and your Solana just like this, allow, and just paste your wallet address just like that. And then once you have done that, just refresh after a couple of seconds and you will notice you now have some Solana on balance and you will be able to buy coins. Then head over to Dex Screener again. Scroll a little bit down till you find Fartcoin with this little contract address. A contract address just represents the coin. So copy it, click on buy just like this, enter the contract address just like that, and all you need to do then is type in how much Solana you actually want to buy worth of Fartcoin. Let's say you want to buy 0.01 Solana. All you do is click on enter, and now I'm buying 0.01 Solana worth of Fartcoin. Click on view tokens, and then we can see, voila, we now bought Fartcoin. It's literally that freaking easy. You can see exactly your P&L in USDC, USD, and also in Solana. Now, if you want to see your Fartcoin over on Phantom, then what you need to do is click on settings, click on wallets, and then click on export Solana wallet. Now for me it will not say export Solana wallet because I've already done that, but if you have not done that yet, click on export Solana wallet. It will give you a private key, and then basically all you need to do is import that private key by clicking on add/connect wallet, import private key, name, and then the private key, and then you will be able to see your Trojan bot wallet over on Phantom. You can already see I've already done that, and now Fartcoin will automatically be in my Phantom wallet. And this is literally all you need to do in order to buy meme coins. You can now do it with any meme coin. It takes like 10 minutes or like 10 seconds to set up. So go check it out. First link in the description below for the Telegram trading bot. It's literally what everyone is using right now, because most of the other exchanges are not available in your country, take too long to verify, or are just extremely laggy and slow. So that being said, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if this actually worked for you. If you have any questions, let them down below in the comments and I will definitely help you out. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube video.